Hey. Yo, what's going on, team? Welcome. Today's Tuesday. It is a new day. It's 9:17. Let's get to it. Before we do, you know what we're gonna do, right? Man, nah, just so you guys don't. Oh, okay. We go back to the intro. My bad. My bad. So just so you guys don't get so distracted with the charts, we are. Let's see. How do I do this? Boom. Um. Browser? Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, let's do. Oh, there we go. Let's get it. Verse of the day. Oh, man. You can't read that. Whatever. Anyways, it says, "It is written, he said to them, my house will be called a house of prayer, but you are making it a den of robbers." Matthew 21:13. I gotta figure out. Okay, here it is. Interact. How do I? I'll figure this out for next time, you guys. Control audio, use custom frame. Yeah, I'll figure this out for next time. Oh, maybe here. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think I've got it. I'm just gonna do this. Boom, there we go. And so then we'll pull up the verse of the day every single day in the morning using this. Oh man, my camera keeps going in and out. I gotta figure that out. Hold on. Is that better? Yeah. And then let's see, can we do Forex Factory? Because I hate pulling it up here. So if I can just add it here, that would be sick. And then we'll be looking at basically all that we need to look at for Forex Factory. Boom, baby, let's go. All right. What we got today? What we got today? Honestly, today we don't have too much. Yeah, we don't need this, right? No. Exit. Yeah, we don't need this. Let's filter this bad boy down to none, and we're gonna do USD, apply filter. There we go. So you can see we have not much, just 4:30 p.m. Yeah, there's nothing today. Nothing today that I'd be worried about, interested, looking at, or any of that. So there is that. All right, let's move on. Now we can move into the charts. Now we can dive right into the charts. So let's get to it. All right. What do we have here? Let's take a look. But before we do, let's pray real quick, and then we'll dive into it. Father, thank you for this morning. Thank you for the opportunity we get to be here to trade. Lord, I pray that you give us wisdom, strength, peace, calm any anxiety, any Lord, any feeling that doesn't come from you. I pray that you take it away, Lord. But at the same time, challenge us to get better. Lord, and I pray that whether we win or lose, Father, that our identity is found in you. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Bro, Mike, this camera is not wanting to cooperate. Yeah, hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna try this again. Sometimes it does that, and I really don't know why. Where's the camera that I won't shoot? Okay. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Where is this camera? Yeah, granted. Icon. Oh, here it is. Hmm. Hold on. Yeah, this is like, because every time I do it on, every time I have to go to a hotel or something and I don't have my stuff with me, like my camera, this makes it just a little difficult to switch back. And I thought I switched it back yesterday. Okay. Man, okay. We might just go without a camera then. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm not sure what's happening. If I turn this off. All right. Anyways, let's get into it. Let's get into it. So, what do we have? What do we have here? Oh, this is on the weekly. And here's what I'm seeing on the weekly, right? There's fair value gaps on the weekly that we could tap into, right? We could tap into them. We don't have to, but we could. We know we traded into the daily that gave us that SMT, right? But this is a weekly right here. This is a weekly. Do we have to tap into that right now? No. There's no weekly here on NQ, which is what leads me to believe that we may not even have to tap into this right over the next few days unless we want to break above it. And there there is our weekly fair value gap. Weekly FEG. And so we'll just mark that for just a second. There's no weekly here. I think that one that's marked out is a daily, I believe. It's just, oh, that's the, what is this? That's just the big gap from, yeah, just a big daily gap. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's just a big daily gap there. We tapped into this, right? This is our daily fair value gap. This is our daily FEG. And we got SMT up here, right? Now, do I want to see a cleaner SMT? Maybe with these highs, right? Maybe one of these assets take this, but I think at that point I'd rather have us come down. I mean, I say I'd rather, like I control this, but I would like to see us come down and give us an SMT somewhere at these lows, right? Like we haven't had any SMTs here. All of this is still open liquidity here and open liquidity here. Right, boom, all of this, right? None of these have really been tapped into, so we can expect price to come back somewhere around these lows, whether it's just this one, and then give us a daily SMT, right? That would be nice. And again, I'm not looking for anything that's like, that's just um right now, as much as I would love to see some new lows, I can't be looking for that. I just can't. It doesn't make sense for me to look for these lows, especially if or when Oh, so it's working now? Okay, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Screw. There we go. Let's see. Start. Okay. Settings. Um. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is so stupid. 928. 928 is coming. There is here. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's get it. We're gonna rave a little bit while we do this, okay, guys? So bear with me. Bear with me. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. Big gap here. We are in a weekly gap here. So something to keep in mind, right? We are in a weekly gap. Like we haven't traded anywhere. YM and RTY are above this gap. So watch out. Watch out because they are in this gap here. So sharing the love with you now. Okay. Let's go to the 12 hour. Let's take a look here. 12 hour. Oh, I mean, look at all of this. It's just been trading in the gap. There's no like, especially YM, right? And YM usually gives us a nice structure to play with. And YM has just been here chilling. So maybe we do go up and manipulate here on YM or whatever. I don't know. I don't know, man. At this point, I don't even know no more. 9:30 is here. Let's get it. All right, let's see what we're doing here on the futures market for. All right, we're pushing higher. We're pushing higher. I need this. Yeah, pushing higher. That's nice. So where do we push higher to? Back to our CISD. All right, that's where we push higher. I'm still looking for this model to play out to the downside, if I'm being honest with you. You know, I'm still looking for this model to play out here. Right? So we've got it here on, you can see it. I've got it marked here. I gotta redo this one. I have it marked right here on NQ. That model is right here on RTY. And then we go over to, where are you? This is right here, this leg. Right there. All right, previous day low. This looks good. I like this model to the downside, if I'm being honest. And I'm not trying, like I am, after we get this model complete, right? If we get some, again, look at where this is taking us, negative 4.5, right? Down to these lows, right? Creating new lows here, meaning if this model is going to play out and if it wants to play out, and if we're on the right side, we can expect an SMT down here, right? A run of liquidity around any of these highs, and then boom. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. We shall see what we get. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's about it. Also, if you want to join the Discord, first link in the description below. Would you love on me? Mm-hmm. Oh man, all right, let's see. All right, here we go. SMT. Something's lining up. Something's cooking here. Something is cooking. For a while, should be over. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. SMT up here. I like this. Let's get rid of this because that's gonna confuse the crap out of me. So, anyways, I hope you guys see what I'm looking at for this model to play out. And that's about it. Tell me what you're feeling. Let's um there we go, right there. Let's see if we can find something here. Oh man. All right. We got a second leg of manipulation to the upside, and then we're gonna drop or a close of that CISD. Ah man. Oh, a close of our C. I mean, yeah, this is just accumulating. Just accumulating. Let's see what we got here. We know we have an SMT there. I'd love to see a second leg of manipulation, right? Initial leg, boom, right? SMT. Then we get a second leg of manipulation. Boom, there it is. There's our second leg. If we get it, let's go down to the 15-second. And I'll be looking for this to the downside today. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But if we get it, it'll be a nice win. Where we at here? Yeah, this looks good to me. This looks good until we close, but I'm waiting for a closure. Remember that. I'm waiting for a closure. I'm going to try something new today. I'm going to look at the 5-second, but I'm going to look for the 45-second to see where that closure might be. I would trust this closure better here if we get it. Let's see. Or this one right here if we get it. Right here. I'm going to be trading this on MES because it's the weaker asset at this point. All right, that SMT is no longer there, so I'm not looking for anything. Unless we get, let's see, do we have an SMT? All right, that SMT is still valid. So initial sweep is that candle right there. That's the initial sweep. Yeah. No SMT. SMT has been invalidated, so no SMT anymore. Not looking for an SMT right now. Let's see, 15-minute. Yeah, this SMT has been invalidated. Do we have, oh, here we go. Look at this. Beautiful okay, I'd like to see us get another, if we get an SMT with this previous day high, that would be awesome. But as it stands, we do have an SMT there with RTY, right? Which is right here, which is right here. So SMT, meaning we can continue to look as long as these get respected, right? We already have it, so don't be confused on this line. This is the SMT. This is also a run on liquidity on these equal highs. I think this one already took it, but anyways, equal highs. Yeah, equal highs. We go here. You see that equal highs? Boom. Run on liquidity. No reason for us to keep going higher unless we want to take this. If we take this, that'd be kind of nice actually. That'd be kind of nice. So RTY, if you can take that, that would be nice. RTY. Guys, I can't wait for 10:10. You know what time 10:10 is? Time for me to get up the charts. That would be nice. Can't wait for 10:10. Not long. We're just here to put in the work and that's it. And then we done. We'll put in the work and we're done. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh man, all right. Yeah, there was no I don't like this. Mm-mm. 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 Yeah, if we can hmm. I mean, I like this because this would be an SMT here on RTY. Yes, there's nothing down here that tells me, hey, we want to continue higher, you know? So I'm looking for I'm looking for downside. I'm looking for downside until we get an invalidation up here. I'm looking for downside. All right. CISD is down here. We got a CISD and then tap back into some sort of maybe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 3 minute-ish. I think that's a 3 minute. It would be up here, I think. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. That would be it, y'all. Yeah. If this starts breaking above, because I did hold some Tesla puts or TSL puts here. Then, I mean, it'll probably be a liquidity grab and then push back into the range. But if it holds above here, then I'm gonna get out, and then that'll be it for me. Man, I'm just looking at this. Yeah, if you caught this, man, that was nice. If you caught this, that was nice. Yeah, that was nice. Still not what I'm looking for. Oh, next, dude. What is this? Get out of here. $9.48. Come on, 1010. Come on, 1010. Get me out of here. Mm-hmm. All right, now we have this nice SMT here. Oh, show. Right there. We don't need that. With the highs, that's what we wanted to see. Ooh, RTY might give us this one too. Yeah, RTY might take this one. That would be nice. That would be nice. Yeah, that would be nice. For a later run to the upside, that would be nice. Because if we, yeah, I don't know. There's no, hmm. Yeah, we'll see. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, see, this is like grab liquidity underneath, this grab liquidity up there. This is just trending up. Yeah. 950, 950. All right, liquidity has been taken. Let's get it. I mean, it took it. So now we have daily. Let's get rid of this one. 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 Now we have a daily sequential SMT happening. I like this. I like this. So yeah, I like this. This looks good. Mm-hmm. 954. It's 10. It's about to be 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'll be looking for, really. Previous day high. I mean, this one didn't take previous day high. It took this one, which is. I guess there's no SMT here. Sorry, guys. My bad. We do have it here, though. So just keep that in mind. Mm-hmm. 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 9:59, 10 o'clock is coming up. We're gonna get this push to the upside, or are we just gonna dump this bad boy? Back to our CISD, basically. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't want a long here. That's for sure. If I'm in a long, I'm looking for something inside of the gap or right. Sorry, where is this? Somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. Like all of this right here. Where is it? All of this. This is where I'd be looking for some sort of longs, right? But do we want a long up here? I don't know. This is also a place where we've seen sort of price not be able to break a lot of this. Let's say right here. No, right here. So something to be aware of, right? Right there. That would be it. That would be it. But potatoes, well, potatoes, you know? All right, 10:01. Yeah, I feel like the more uh, how do I want to say this? I I've enjoyed not being on the charts. So when 10:10 comes around, it's nice. That's what I will say. Yeah, I mean, what do we do here? Nothing. Yeah, there's nothing here for me right now. There was no real entry for me down here. I wasn't looking for it either, and even if there was. So, potato. To your Ooh, maybe we do get this right here on a smaller time frame right here. This could be it right here. Push above, big ol' wick, and then drop us below. See, there's no SMT here either. Yeah, we'll see, man. This is just price moving and normal. And like, here's the thing, nothing to look for right now with price moving like this, right? Um, we can chase if we want, but let me know how that works out for you. What are equities doing? All right, Nvidia needs to like get above all of this. 111? Yeah, 111 for it to do something. Something that I want to see, but in the meantime, ain't nothing. Yeah, this might just be yeah, we'll see. All right, 10:06, and at this point I think I feel good calling it here. Oh, calling it done here. Everything's just moving up right now. Um, I don't know. See, Apple's trading down, Nvidia, Tesla's trading up, Amazon's trading sideways. Yeah, look, the 930 just up, down, close, open to the same place. QQQs are moving high, or QQQ's moving high. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. This is also the QQQ is right there. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. There's nothing here yet, guys. So 10:07. Was that it? Or was this the manipulation up? I don't know, man. This is here's our distribution inside a distribution inside a manipulation. We'll see, we'll see. Guess we got this quarter right here. Yeah, inside the distribution quarter. That looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I like that. Nvidia, what's it doing? Apple, Amazon. Yeah, at this point, I think that's it. So, anyways, enjoy your day. Go hang out with your family. Go do what you want to do, what you need to do. And I'll catch you guys in a jiffy. That sounds so stupid to say. In a jiffy. All right. I'll wait till 10:10. I'll wait till 10:10. To your But this is what I'm looking at. All of this. I'm looking at it this way. Where, oh, look, I can use this little pointer thing right here. All of this, all of these lows to get ran through before we go higher. I am bullish, but man, oh man, even if it's just to here, all these, like these lows to get ran through. Even if it's to here, these lows to get ran through. Here, these lows. Here, these lows here. Right here, you see these lows here. Here, right there. So we'll see. I mean, we can definitely just come up here, right? Run run this and hold above. We would need to hold above here. We would need to hold above all of, no, up here. Hold above here. Yeah, we would need to hold way above here. Same thing here, up here, boom. So yeah, this is interesting, you guys. We'll see. We're just hanging. We're just hanging here, so we're just hanging here. SMT got put in, little baby SMT. And you know, we have this big SMT. Let's see. Let's see. Is there anything here for us? Is there going to be anything here for us? We know that after distribution comes accumulation. Then we can wait for manipulation, which is, oh man. We have S&P here. Let's just look for a change in the state. Oh, that's, I like this. That's nice. That's nice right here. Second S&T there. Oh. Amazon's moving higher. Yeah, I don't know. This looks meh. This looks meh. Tuesday, no news also. So what do you expect? Anyways, all right, you guys, enjoy your day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, take it easy.